Secondhand Overland. It turns out my Jeep hood, I closed it and now it won't open, so I think the cable's broken and we're gonna try and get the hood open. Latch just doesn't seem to work, so I think the cable is broken. I went and closed the hood and now the hood won't open. Can't get the hood open. So we're going to attempt to undo those bolts to get the hood open. There's one there, and I want to see if there's one up in there. Try and undo those bolts and see if get the hood to raise up with the latch still attached. So I'm going to go ahead and try and get those undone. Screwdriver, wrench head, up. There's two studs sticking out, so we're going to try and pry it back away from the stud. One side. Other side. Oh, and hey, look at that. The cable is actually broken. So that's how you get into your Jeep hood if your hood cable is broken. Unclamp it because the head of the cable goes inside there. Now sometimes you can push that, but if you look from the outside, that's all that pushes. So voila. Thanks for watching.